Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you how to reset the service indicator, change oil indicator on a Golf GTI MK7, guys. That thing is, you've seen that in many videos on World Mechanics, our main channel. So many more to come next season, autocross season. So what you need to do, guys, if you have the manual, even automatic, all we need to do, just insert the key. Okay, you need to hold, okay, the 0 button before you turn the key to second position. So we hold this one and turn the key to second position. Okay, reset oil change service appears. What you need to do now, do you really want to reset? Okay, so we're going to hold this one now. Okay, and it went away. You need to be pretty quick, so let's try again. Hold this one, turn the key. Okay, reset, service was reset. Alright guys, so the service was reset now, and if you turn your ignition on to second position and you go to the car status right here, okay, let me see, telephone, vehicle status right here, and there is no warning messages, so that will be the whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.